Welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, this is Theo. So today, here I have a game named Battle Cats. I bet everyone already know this game, so yeah, I guess let's start playing. Let's play the tutorial, which is, it tells me how to play it. Yeah, attack the enemy guys. This game is just about you buy your cats, you upgrade them, and they're fighting for you, and yeah, they also die for you. So sad. Okay, produce cats. Yes. So yeah, I'm playing this game for a while, and I've decided let's start a new account and let's share the gameplay with you guys, because I think you deserve it, because the support on YouTube, I'm really appreciate it. I've reached 89 subscribers so far. Yeah, when you're watching this video, I'll have probably a few more, because I'm recording this in April. So yeah, I guess okay, fire cat cannon. They are not in range, so that's useless right now. So yeah, this tutorial is just spamming cats, and seems like they are going well. Yes, eat them, kill them. Ah, cats, I love you. Yeah, goodbye Korea. Gained experience. Oh yes. Treasure manor has been unlocked. Item shop is open now. Catnip challenges are now available. Oh yes. For the cat food I will need them. Okay, so I've unlocked new cat, and first thing I need to upgrade to level 10 is study, because you get more experience. So let's start another battle. Mongolia. Okay, here is my second cat, tank cat. Yeah, I know cats look really weird in this game, and some of the advanced cats I'll unlock later doesn't really seems like cats, but you know, I think this game just went too far, but you'll see guys, you'll see in next episodes. Oh my goodness, he's hitting my base. Help me. No, it's okay, because his damage is like, 8. Get more experience. Let's attack China. Okay, big Chinese wall. One duck. Oh, sorry, bro, but you're going to die. Don't you mind it? Sorry, but I have to do it. I have to, because I just have to. Because if I won't kill you, you'll destroy my base, and I lost my energy, and I'll have to play this level again. By the way guys, please, if you're watching this and you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. What does it cost you? You just click on the red button under the video, and for me it's a lot of support, and it just makes me happy, and it gives me energy to make another videos and make them better way, and just please do it. Also like the video, and you can comment down under the video if you liked something, or even you didn't like something on this video, just tell me your opinion about this game. If you know it, if you play it, you know, just these YouTube things. Comment, subscribe and like, please. You don't have to comment, but just subscribe. Yeah, I know I'm again talking too much. I just have to shut up for a while. Oh no, my tongue died. But I'll revenge you. I'll revenge you. I'll kill them all. I'll kill them all. Yes. Yes, cats. Yeah, I'm just... Please guys, don't laugh at me, I'm just... you know, playing this game. Wow. They're trying, they're really trying, but... Sorry, there is no chance. There's new cat waiting to be upgraded. Okay, this, yeah, X-cat. Okay, nice. Now I can upgrade study. Nice. Okay, island. Let's go. Fire! Oh yes. Oh god, my base got damaged. Oh shit, those guys. Oh no. You kidding me? Okay, these guys are pretty strong. No, I'll send X on you. You going through, X? Ah, yes. You do. Of course you do. Because now, right now, you're my strongest cat, so you should. This base got destroyed much quicker than the base before. Oh, I get 2000 experience. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so let's upgrade study again. Nice. Level 4. By the way, you can comment which cat I should upgrade first. For now I've already these 3, but you can skip to the end of this video, but you don't have to, you can watch it all. But if you want to, you can, and you can comment down and decide which cat should I upgrade to level 10, which is the maximum level I can get now. So yeah, that's probably it. That's probably all I want to say. See the damage, destroying them. But those guys are really trying, really trying. But there is no chance against my growing cat army. Okay, go to treasure. By the way, treasures are dropping randomly from the levels. The chance is increased from the if it's treasure festival. And with the treasures you get bonus, for example here collect all these treasures to speed up money production during battle, which is, you know, really useful, and you have them a lot. So yeah, of course, the best treasure is gold, superior, then normal, silver, and inferior. Bronze is the worst, but you know, better the worst than nothing. And so yeah, let's attack Philippines. Guess I'll just wait until they'll all come to my laser distance, and then I'll fire and destroy them with power of the jet cannon. Okay, one more dot. Oh, okay, never mind. Right now, fire! Oh yes, stonks. Oh, those guys are going. But now I have really well upgraded money production, so that's nice.
Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you near.
Okay, see that? See the damage to the base? Yeah, actually it's not that big, but why are they pushing me back? Hey, cats, are you kidding me? Oh, no, they're not. Because they are my cats, they are my powerful cats. And 3000 XP, that's great. And this should be gross cat. Yes. This is really good cat, which I'll also use for a longer time. So now I have 4 cats. And I unlocked special cats, and I can't afford ninja yet, which is 10 times better than the X, which is, you know, great. And right now I'll attack Japan, I guess. Yes. Yes, he's here. Hippo. Oh my god. You see it? All that. They're just dead. I don't know if I can win it. Oh nice, some money. you get from those guys. Gross cats, you can do it. I believe in you. Oh, crap. I don't know how many knockbacks have gross. Oh, I killed him. Okay. Actually, this was pretty easy. Superior top knot or what was that? Cat Seeker. New event stage has been released. Oh, Cat Capture Machine has been unlocked. User rank unlocked. Officers Club has been unlocked. Mule medals. And oh yeah, Red Kit. Oh yeah, 3000 experience. Oh yeah, 5,000 experience. That's nice. Okay, so no, I don't want this guide. Yeah, for each cat you unlock, you will get 5 cat food. And now I unlocked 4 cats, which is 20 cat food, and I had 30, and together it's 50. So I can buy Ninja Cat, which is really important, really good, and yeah, that's it. Okay, another thing, I need those right now, so yeah, I'll upgrade study, 2 more levels, level 7, yeah, and yeah, this will be all for this video. In next video I'll upgrade my cats and some other things. I'll open these capsules when I get another cats. Yes, from these especially elementals and Easter Carnival, when from each event you have special cats. You see this? This isn't a cat. This is, I don't know. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.